Closed mold manufacturing in composites refers to processes where the resin and reinforcement are enclosed in a mold during fabrication. This method ensures better control over material distribution, reduces emissions, and improves surface finish and product consistency. Closed mold techniques are commonly used for medium to high volume production. Key closed mold manufacturing processes explained in this presentation are 8 in number. All these processes have been described in detail in separate lectures prepared by Composites Manufacturing Team of Technology Education and Mentoring Center for the benefit of persons who are interested in taking up fiberglass manufacturing business. In our TM, dry reinforcement is placed into a rigid mold cavity. The resin is injected under pressure to saturate the fibers. The part cures inside the mold before being demolded. Our TM is similar to our TM, but uses vacuum to draw resin into the mold. A flexible bag is used to seal the mold, allowing the vacuum to assist resin in fusion. In compression molding, pre-cut reinforcement and resin are placed into a heated mold cavity. The mold closes under pressure, causing the material to flow and cure. During our IM manufacturing, liquid resin and hardener are mixed and injected into a closed mold to react and cure. Although primarily open at the fiber entry stage, pultrusion molds close during curing to form continuous cross-sectional profiles. Pultrusion enables continuous production in a highly automated and low-labor process. For our FI, the pre-cut resin film and dry reinforcement are stacked in the mold. The mold is heated to melt and infuse the resin into the fibers under vacuum. In thermoforming, thermoplastic composite sheets are heated and formed in a closed mold under pressure. After forming, the shaped part can then be trimmed and finished to specification to meet end users' requirements. The process and thermoplastic materials are extremely versatile and can be utilized to manufacture parts for a very wide range of applications. Advantages of closed mold manufacturing of fiberglass items are flashed on the screen. These techniques allow better quality and structural integrity, and are graded higher in sustainable goals achievement due to reduction in volatile compounds emission. Main disadvantage in pursuing closed mold manufacturing technique is high initial investment. This is, however, neutralized due to better selling prices of the items produced through these processes. Major industries benefiting from closed mold manufacturing are automobiles, boats, aerospace, wind turbines, pipes, and storage tanks. In order to get greater insight into all 8 processes that have been highlighted in this presentation, keep following our YouTube channel, where these are in queue for uploading within very short time.